because what this does is it guarantees you a 50% success rate. And building consistency, if you want to swing the scales to becoming more consistent, if you become 51% plus consistent in an area, that is going to shift your identity. That's going to shift you into becoming somebody more consistent. Versus if it's 30%, 20%, we're more likely not, right? So you can see we're starting to swing the scales, and then that 51% starts to creep up as it becomes more of our identity, and not having to do it perfectly opens that door, right? So the danger with wanting to do things perfectly is that it creates this all or nothing mindset. So I'm going to do it every day, all the time, or I'm never going to do it. And again, this leads to people not building consistency, right? Because it says that if you don't meditate every single day, then you failed. If you don't follow the diet every single day perfectly, then you failed. And I'm going to share the secret about overcoming this even deeper a little bit later as well. So it's not confusing consistency with perfection. They're not the same thing. So perfection creates stress, pressure, which are the killers of consistency. You can be imperfect. The key is just showing up, right? Showing up, trying it, practicing it daily, which will help build it.